Hello friends, peace be upon you. I try to share with you software that is free to use. And these softwares are also easy to use. I am going to share with you a software that you can use on your mobile. As you have a pixelated image in front of you, you can enhance your image in this software. And if there is any color cast on the image, you can remove that too. And then you can also adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. This image, originally like this and after like this. Bring your cherished memories back to life, with stunning, high-resolution clarity. Let's start the video. You can see the icon of this software. MeeAww software is an advanced photo restoration tool. Now we open it. You will see options in it, which is Enhance, Color Restoration, Photo Brightener and Photo Edit. We process this image in this software. So, first we use the Enhance option. So, we open this image to enhance it. This image is in progress. Do not quit the app. Exiting this screen will stop the process. Now you can watch before and after. This is the original image. And this is the image after enhance. You can also crop the image from below here. And you can also apply color filters. As I have applied a filter, cozy. But I will also keep the image original. And save the image in its original state. There is a save option below. Pressing on this will save the image. Now, let's go back here and use color restoration. The colors of the same image as the image we enhanced. That image is saved in our Pictures folder. So, we open this image here. This software will restore the colors of the image. Now, notice that there is a light yellow color cast on this image first. But later it removed that light yellow color cast. You can see that the skin tone, or red color, has also been beautifully restored. You can see the image, before then after. Here too. If you want to use a color filter, you can do so. And after that, you press save and you're done. Now, let's try its third option using Photo Brightener. We open the image for Photo Brightener. This is the image from which we removed the color cast. Now look at the brightness, it's first. This is after the brightness is adjusted. This software MeeAww adjusted the brightness and contrast of this image. And now we can save this image here. The main thing is that this software is completely free. There are no ads for this software. Nor does this software require a subscription. And this software is very easy to use. Now, you look at the original image here, and then this later. And then after removing the color cast. And then after adjusting the brightness and contrast. I want to tell you something else about this software. You can see below that the AI Styles option is available. If you press it, you will see many filters. As toy figure, oil painting art or funny caricature. If you scroll up in the same way, you will find many filters. You can apply them to your image. Similarly, the next option is for wallpaper. That you can download the wallpaper of your choice for your mobile. No need to download, you can just apply. And in the last option, profile, you can see your profile. You will only have to register on this software with one of your Gmail ID. Here, you see one last option, photo edit. This allows you to crop your image. You know very well about crop. Now if you go to your profile and look. If you go to your settings here, check. This software is not asking you for money. Nor is it asking you to subscribe. So, it turns out that this software MeeAww is completely free. And there will be no ads on it. You will enjoy using this software. Now, let me also tell you how to connect the mobile to the PC or laptop. From here you have to go to Settings. After clicking on Settings, you will click on System. After that, click on Projecting to this PC. Then click on Launch the Connect app to project to this PC. Keep in mind that the Available Everywhere is always selected. Now, you will see a blue screen on your computer. Now, you have to enable Cast or Screencast from your mobile. Let it connects, I'll show you. It will be written below as Screencast or just Cast. You have to enable this option. So, your mobile screen will be mirrored on your PC. Now, you can see whatever you do on your mobile on your PC. To disconnect, you have to disable this screencast option. And you will be back on your computer screen. This way you can display your mobile screen on your computer. Try using the software and see, it's a good software. And, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.